Peter, what are we doing?
What are we doing here, Chris? We're at Costco.
Yeah.
What in the world will we be doing at Costco
Yeah.
on Thanksgiving Eve?
We're giving back today.
Oh, great.
We are donating food and goods to the local Salvation Army here in Glendale.
Wow. Yeah. So, of course, we have to do our duty to ensure that people eat this Thanksgiving and every Thanksgiving.
Yep.
But we have a special guest today.
Yeah.
We have Alex,
Hey,
our
Alex.
special team member,
Hello.
the best driver in the world.
Best driver in the world, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
How you doing today, Alex?
Pretty good. You guys?
I'm well.
Are you happy to be doing this with us?
Yeah.
Imagine if she said no. Of course it's a yes.
Well,
Yeah,
so in observation of Thanksgiving,
Yeah.
what are you thankful for?
My health. I'm thankful for Peter to keep me employed through all the hard times.
Oh, thank you very much.
And I'm thankful for you guys wanting to join us today.
And Alex, what are you thankful for?
My family and having a job.
And I'm thankful for having the most amazing employees, most amazing team members, of course, my family, being alive, being here in California, being here in
Yeah.
Glendale.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready? Let's do it.
Team in? Turkey Day? I don't know.
So, Chris, are you a big turkey fan?
I do like turkey. Turkey fan, ground turkey on Thanksgiving.
Okay. Alex, what are your opinions about turkeys?
I mean, I like it at Thanksgiving, but not like year
Just at
round.
Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
What about turkey breasts?
That's pretty good.
Whoa, whoa,
Yeah.
this is a PG
Whoa.
channel, guys. Come on. Nothing over there?
We might have to chase these people down over here. You walk in a very wealthy person and you walk out a very poor person here in Costco. So we'll get a sack of this. A couple sacks? Or?
Yeah, get a couple, I guess.
Okay.
Is it easier to just move it back?
Maybe, right?
Well, Christopher, I think they might be out. If you're really smart, for lunch, you could just simply come to Costco
Right, exactly.
Very true.
and just go from station to station. Okay, Smuckers,
Let's do it.
how many?
We got to fill the QX60 up, so
All right, so,
a lot.
I mean, we're
Not
gonna,
of jelly. But
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, chunky or creamy?
I guess that works.
How'd you like to pay $42 for some extra virgin olive oil?
Worth it.
Worth it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a lot.
It's a lot of oil. They hand squeeze each olive. No, they don't.
What about green beans and peas?
Peace be with you.
Chicken breast?
Yeah.
Pasta here.
Oh, this is a tripe.
Look at that.
Look at that.
That's a lot of sauce. Alex, what do you think what's happening here?
Okay, so we want to guess how much this is going to be. And the winner, the closest, gets a free car.
Free car.
One of these
Like a
little,
die-cast.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
a die-cast.
Hot Wheels,
right. Oh, you
No,
do
you don't.
not want to know
No, you
what they
don't.
put in Twinkies.
You could do it.
rice bags, right?
Yeah, she said rice, pasta.
So, Alex, the Pilgrims came over on what ship? Do you know the name of the ship?
The Mayflower.
Oh,
Nice.
Nice. And where did the Pilgrims first land?
I don't remember. This is like elementary school.
Christopher?
Plymouth Rock.
Oh, impressive. That's
else you
all I
got?
know.
Oh, okay. That was pretty good.
My favorite part about the whole series is when the teacher's talking. Do you
I'll
remember
insert
that?
a clip because I have no idea.
Anyways, so whenever they're in the class
Yes.
and the teacher's talking,
Yeah.
it sounds like listen to what the teacher is saying, and all they hear is
Okay, guessing on how much this is going to be.
All right. $650.
800.
Christopher?
I think we're right around $475.
Oh, snap. And the winner, the closest, gets a free car. Good job,
I was
Christopher.
$14 away.
You're solid.
That's pretty amazing.
Solid. Awesome.
Have a good one.
Take care. All right. Thank you. Going in.
Just happy to be giving back.
That's right. Kind of looks like you're breaking a sweat there.
Oh, I'm sweating. Great job, Alex.
You try this. So off to the Salvation Army we go. And away we go.
Let's go, Alex.
You have arrived.
Boom.
Boom.
Yeah.
So we're here with Gabby from the Salvation Army. So can you just kind of share with us what you do for the Salvation Army and how long you've been with the Salvation Army?
Yes, of course. Okay, well, first of all, my name is Gabby. I'm the Social Services Director for the Salvation Army Glendale Burbank Corps. We provide meals, so we're not only serving bags. People here take a whole cart. Like there's a full cart of food that is being taken. And for on-house, we also provide warm meals, plus a sack lunch, and all the extra goodies.
I think that without people like you, it just would be a darker place. So this is I think a good point where people should donate to the Salvation Army and provide whatever they can, because it does really go a long way in terms of serving the people that are definitely needing the services.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Anybody, we're always here. We are always looking for donations. So thank you once again to your organization, to your company, for making this possible. And my officers that are very busy right now. We're doing toy drives. I
Right.
cannot be here right this moment, but we're very thankful.
There's Salvation Army locations everywhere. Donate, do what you can. Thank you for watching.
One, two, three.